Hey guys, today we're going to show you the Aurora Vortext 5000 kit for the 13 and newer Dodge Rams. This is an add-a-turbo kit that's going to give you a lot more airflow, really bring this truck to life in a usable way. We've been putting a lot of miles in this truck, towing, driving, racing, using it. It's got awesome power, it's quiet, it's reliable, and there's zero smoke. Let's show you. When you're driving a truck every day, it's all about comfort, and then it's about power. Where I like this kit is that it has a really solid build to it. You got a casting that is the mid pipe and the down pipe. That means very little rattle, very little opportunity for flex. That means a reliable, consistent install that's going to last for the life of your truck. Because this kit uses the stock turbocharger in the factory location, we have awesome throttle response. We don't sacrifice anything in the spool up department for that extra power. 640 rear wheel horsepower, huge torque, 1200 plus. I mean, the torque is just any gear, fifth, sixth gear, trailer behind the truck, it doesn't matter. You roll on the throttle, the torque is there. That's with our tuning with MM3, great platform. We had to do a lot of revisions with that platform, and we were able to do that in real time with the MM3. That platform also allows you to switch on the fly tuning and tuning for the 68 RFE, which when mated to this twin kit, you can really take advantage of that big torque curve. If you're looking to add to the reliability of your truck, the usability of your truck, not take away from any of the comfort that the truck came with stock, and really have something that looks great and performs, I definitely recommend this Aurora Vortex Twin Kit. Give us a call at Calibrated Power Solutions, 815-568-7920. I'm Nick, thanks for watching.